when your company needs the perfect observability tool. Finding the right solution is crucial. When no one's available, instant support anytime. The perfect assistant even in the imperfect situations. It's cool, but how does it work, I wonder?
I'm glad you asked. I'm gonna show you what is under the hood. Let's see. Alrighty, so let me show you the architecture diagram. As you can see, we have different kind of components. All of those services are running inside Azure. We have an application gateway which ensures the external connectivity, and also we have an Azure Kubernetes service which runs a different kind of microservices. We have one microservice which runs the AI workflow itself, we have an health check module, and we have many other microservices as well, like the ones which are handling the communication to the third-party APIs, like the OpenAI. We are using different modules, for example GPT 3.5, GPT 4.0 and 4.0 mini, just to make sure we can be cost efficient. Additionally, we want to make this system as secure as possible, so we are using the Motific AI solution, which can help us regulate the different kind of prompts. And this service is business critical for us. Because of that, we are running a full-scale Splunk instrumentation all around the infrastructure, so we are using APM, RAM, and obviously log analytics as well. This can ensure that the chatbot will run as smoothly as possible. In a moment, I will show you how the Splunk monitors an environment. So let's see that together. Alright, so here is our Splunk environment. You can see here a bunch of different applications because this is our demo lab. Usually we do demonstrations and different kind of presentations for our customers, just to make sure we can showcase all of the Splunk functionalities what the solution can provide. If we go into the flowchart, we will see different kind of circles. Those are representing the different part of the specific applications. You can see here a bunch of different applications, but we want to see our Splunker AI bot. So let me drill down into the specific environment. We're calling that prod environment, and you will be surprised. You can see exactly the same circles as you have seen in the architecture chart. Actually, this is not a big surprise because Splunk is pretty much capable to map all of those components in real time into our flowchart, so that will help us to understand what is the performance and availability of the different part of the application. However, focusing on the technical things is not always enough. We always want to understand how the business is performing. And in case of a chatbot, the business performance depends on many different things. If you drill down into the spotlight, we will see different metrics. For example, what is the sentiment analysis result? If the conversation is not going well, for example, there are a lot of mixed or negative sentiment found, that means our customer is not really happy. So in that case, we can automatically raise an alert to our operator guys, and they will figure out, oh, something is fishy here, so let's help the bot to figure out how to make the conversation better. However, we can even monitor how the Motific AI behaves. So for example, if the Motific AI blocks some of the content, we will be also automatically notified. And in the Motific AI environment, we can check what is going on. So if you want to understand how the different sessions are behaving, we need to use the real user monitoring functionality of Splunk. Here, we can pinpoint every single click and every single prompt the customer sent to our chatbot, and that will help us to understand exactly how that conversation went. I hope that clears up all your questions, but if you have anything, just shoot it to me.
That sounds great, but what is Motific AI?
Oh yeah, Motific is a fancy one. This is one of the latest acquisition of Cisco, and it can help us to ensure no funny business in the sentences and in the prompts. And moreover, it can give us a lot of analytics around the AI behavior, as you can see here on my screen. By the way, if you have any more questions around it, just shoot to me and I will do my best to answer them.
But what if it wasn't real? The nightmare ends. Your perfect assistant is here. Your observability questions answered anytime, anywhere.
But wait, there is more.